First, you're going to go to Google and type Vernier Graphical Analysis. And then you're going to click on download, and then you're going to click on Download Vernier Graphical Analysis. Once you click Add to Chrome, click on Add App. The app will download. It'll take a minute or two. And once that finishes, you're going to launch the app, and it will launch Vernier, and the graphical analysis will need to do a little download. There's a gray box. Once it finishes downloading, you're going to launch the app, and then the graphical analysis will need to do a download. This will also take a minute or two. Once it finishes, you're going to receive a box that's going to give you a choice of sensor, data collection, data sharing, or manual entry. You're going to use the Logger Pro sensor data collection. You're going to click on it, and it's going to open up for you when you install the probe. I'm going to use manual entry just to show you how to print. Once you have data in your data set, after you've used the probe and measured what you need to measure, the way to save the graph and the table is to click on the name of the file, and then you're going to export it. And when you export it, you're going to export it as a PNG. So you're going to click Save PNG. It's going to save in your drive. And then you can either copy it to clipboard and put it in a Google Doc right away, or it'll show in your folder so you know where it is in folders. And in this case, it goes to downloads. If you have any questions, you know where to reach me. Thanks.